Hello, everybody. This is our first podcast on this channel, and welcome all of you. Today, we are discussing a massive shift in the creator economy. We are seeing huge channels losing views, the old strategies are not working, and everyone seems panic stricken. There, you have been vocal about this. Do you think the YouTube algorithm is actually broken, or are we just burnt out?
Actually, Pulkit, I don't think so. It's broken, but it's definitely harder. It feels like a rat race. As a creator, you just can't film anymore. You have to analyze metadata, write perfect descriptions, manage community tabs, and work about SEO. It's too much manual work. It's impossible to keep up without a team.
I get that, Dhairya, but I think that's looking at it the wrong way. The complexity is why we need tools. If you aren't using AI automation to read your transcripts and optimize your content, you are naturally going to fall behind. The creators who are winning right now are the ones who are treating their channels like a data startup, who are treating it like their own business.
That's a bold claim, Himank. So you are saying that tools are very important in the life of a creator, but does that data actually helps creativity, or does it make us all sound like robots? Like, we are just automating everything. Let's dive into the numbers where we are. Okay, so this is the next segment of our discussion. Let's talk about the backend data. I was looking at my YouTube Studio analytics yesterday, and the retention graph on my last video was terrible. There was huge drop off right at the 2 minute mark. What do you say about that, Himank?
That is exactly the problem, you know. Most people see the drop off, but they don't know why it happened. You need to correlate that drop off point with the transcript. You need to match it that on my 2 minute mark, what was my transcript and why audience dropped off? What were you saying at 2 minutes? Was the pacing too slow? Were you using wrong words or was the pacing too high?
But Hima, analyzing that takes hours. It I look at my dashboard and I see impression, CTR, average view duration. It's just data overload. My views are flat over the last 30 days, but I don't know how to fix it. Can AI actually tell me what to change, or does it just show me another confusing chart?
So, Dhere, let me quickly make you understand this that there is a difference between analytics and intelligence. You need predictive analytics. Imagine an agent that scans your last 1 year of performance and says, hey, your intros are 15 seconds too long. Cut them down. That is actionable. Or imagine an agent telling you that in this segment of your video, you are using this wrong word or your viewers are saying not to use this. This can really help you.
I agree. I need a copilot, not a calculator, right? That's what you're trying to say. But I want to know if my titles are actually matching the audience intent, or if I'm just clickbaiting myself into low retention. Okay, moving forward, in onto the community and engagement side. So moving on to the community side, my comment section is a mess. I get hundreds of comments asking the same questions like what camera do you use or link to the code. I missed a lot of loyal fans last week because I physically couldn't type enough replies. I mean, it takes a lot of time, hell lot of time from my life to, keep talking to them over those comments section. Uh, Does AI is gonna help me? I don't know. Okay, there you go about that.
But Pulkit, you can't just use an auto reply bot. That's the fastest way to kill your YouTube channel because the YouTube blocks the bots. If I see a robotic "thanks for watching" reply, I unsubscribe immediately. It feels fake and disconnects the parasocial relationship.
I completely disagree that, it's not about spamming, okay? It's about a human in the loop workflow. Like you need to act like a human is typing those replies. Imagine a smart agent, an AI agent that reads the comment, then checks the video transcript, then checks your previous replies, and then checks what you were saying in the video and which tone you used to say it. Then to find the actual answer and drafts a reply in your own tone. That is what a smart agent is like. That is what auto reply means. And that is really, really helpful in saving hours of replying as it can increase your engagement.
So you are saying the AI writes the draft, but I still have to press the button?
Exactly. It's a draft and approved model. You get the efficiency of AI, but the final quality controls is human. Why is it required? You must be thinking of that. Because sometimes obviously, it is an artificial brain, and we cannot trust it 100%. There's always 1% of mess which we think that this AI bot will make. So for that only, you can review those replies. I assure you that the smart agent does not make any mistake, but for your own convenience, for your own comfortability, you need to review them. It helps to maintain that community engagement score without you spending 4 hours typing the same answer, as I said before.
Okay.
Okay, if I have the final approve button, I might be open to it, but I don't want anything that might be posting or replying to anything without my permission.
Yeah, nothing goes on internet without your permissions. You are the one who gives the permission.
Yep.
Yeah,
So where is
that's
this
great.
going? Do we have analytics? We have comments. Is 2026 the year of the AI co-pilot for content creators?
Absolutely. You are getting this now. We are moving away from simple tools to multi-agent systems. One agent watches your analytics, another reads your comments, and a third researches your comment ideas from competitors. And this all works parallelly. And all those replies are combined and it makes up a strategy. And then a chatbot or a GPT tells you that this is the real answer and it really helps you. You don't need to write a lot of prompt now. You don't need to provide any data. It does everything by its own.
Okay,
As
cool.
long,
Sorry, go ahead, Dhairya.
yeah, as long as I have full control over my channel, I am okay with it. I don't have any problem. But I just don't want that AI taking over my creative spark. That will be a little mess. If AI do anything without my permission or without my consent, that would be a mess for me.
Yes, see how simple discussion just changed. A skeptic person who was concerned about AI, his opinion, only those little permission help convince that person that AI is really good. And obviously, it is really good, Pulkit and Dhairya. If you use AI, you can automate your task and you can increase your productivity.
Yeah,
That
that
is
sounds great.
that's fine, yeah, Himang. But the thing is, are we there yet that AI is taking over the creative spark? Maybe not, right? But in fact, the middle ground is that there is a balance, right? Where the data-driven decisions, human creativity, all can mixed up and create good solutions, right? So I agree that creativity cannot be replaced by AI for now. That is for sure. But it can help the creators, right? It helps them to invest more time in the creativity rather than in the messed up tools and working more hours on editing, descriptions, titles, tags, meta tags. Definitely AI can help in all those areas which will increase their time span on and make them focus only on the creativity for their content, right? All right, thanks both of you. This was a really good debate. This was really good discussion around AI and its use in the creativity space. Thanks, Himank. Thanks, Dhairya.
Thanks, Pulkit. Thanks for
Thank you, everyone. See you guys. Bye bye.